This is a 1977 MG MGB 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual with 52,000 miles on it, and it's been nicely restored. Look at the wheels, beautiful wheels on here with nice brand new tires. Interior in excellent condition. You can see pictures of the top on my website. Someone took out the radio. I mean, I got speakers on the door panels, but they've capped off the antenna and they took out the radio on it. Not really quite sure why, but in here, the full-size spare. I'm just gonna leave everything open. You know, I have the two-hand closing these. But really just a nice MGB. I don't know all the ins and outs of these, but we've sold quite a few of them over the years. Let me start it up so you can listen to the motor. I see the clock working. Pop the hood here for you. See, just straight body. I love the decal on the bottom. Motor sounds really good. Real tidy bay there. I'm gonna try and keep this thing under 12. Might be a little tough. I might shoot for the 11.5 range. I think you get a lot of car for the money. If you want to come out and take a look, give me a call. We might keep this off-site just because the weather, it's getting late in the season. We might move it to our storage facility. So give me a call. I would jump in this car and drive it anywhere. It runs really well. So we're Josie's Auto Sales in Gilbertsville. Come check us out. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.